The Samsung Galaxy A54, released in March 2023, offers a blend of impressive features. It sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, ensuring vibrant visuals. The Exynos 1380 chipset powers the device, delivering smooth performance. The phone offers multiple memory configurations, with up to 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. Its 50-megapixel main camera captures high-quality photos and 4K videos, while the 32-megapixel selfie camera excels in capturing detailed selfies. The 5000 mAh battery provides excellent endurance, and the phone supports 25W wired charging. With a price starting at $249, it's a compelling mid-range option.